Is Revit taking forever to open, lagging when you zoom, or freezing while switching views? Before you spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a new laptop, try these 10 proven performance tips that can make Revit run faster. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult, your home for Revit and AI tutorials. Tip number 1. Push unused families. Over time, your Revit projects collect families, materials, line styles, and other elements that are no longer being used. Even though they are not visibly in your model, they are still stored inside the project file, making it larger than necessary. To remove them, go to Manage, click here, Push Unused. Click on Check All, then click OK. For best results, run Push Unused 2 or 3 times because removing one set of unused items may reveal others that can now be deleted. This reduces file size, improve performance, and keep your projects cleaner. Tip number 2. Audit your project. If your Revit project crashes frequently, behaves strangely, or feels slower than usual, the file may contain minor corruption. To repair it, close the project first. Click here to open an existing project. Now select the project. Let's use this as an example. But before clicking open, check the audit box. Here is the audit box. Check it. Click OK. Now open the file. Revit will scan the project for errors and repair issues where possible. Depending on the file size, this might take a little longer than a normal opening, but it's worth doing occasionally, especially for older projects. Tip number 3. Compact the central model. If you are working in a team or your project uses a central model, Revit saves a lot of temporary and historical data every time users synchronize their changes. Over time, this extra data can make the project feel larger or slightly reduce performance. To clean it up, click on File, Save as, Project. Before saving, click Options, then click Compact File. Click OK. This tip is mainly for work shared projects. If you are working on a standalone Revit file by yourself, you don't need to worry about it. Tip number 4. Close hidden windows. Many Revit users open dozens of views, sheets, schedules, and family files without realizing they are still running in the background. All these windows right here is what I'm referring to. Every open window uses system memory, which can slow down Revit. To close it, click on View, click here, Close inactive views. You will immediately free up memory while keeping only the active view open. Tip number 5. Reduce linked files. Linked Revit models, CAD drawings, and large image files all consume system resources. If you are not actively working with a linked file, temporarily unload it. Go to Manage, click on Manage Links. Here you will see all linked Revit models, CAD files, and other external references. Select the file you don't currently need and click Unload. Don't worry, you can always reload it later. This reduces the amount of information Revit has to process while you work. Just a quick one. If this is your first time, make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Tip number 6. Use lightweight families. Not all Revit families are created equally. Whenever possible, use optimized families from trusted sources or simplify over-detailed ones before placing hundreds of instances into your project. Lighter family means faster regeneration, smoother navigation, and smaller project files. Tip number 7. Clean up imported CAD files. Importing DWG files directly into Revit can significantly increase project size and reduce performance. Instead of importing, it's usually better to link CAD whenever possible. Click here, select the CAD, then open. To check your imported files, click on Manage, Manage Links, CAD Formats. Remove or unload any CAD files you no longer need. You can unload it here. Keeping unnecessary card imports out of your project helps Revit perform much efficiently. Tip number 8. Update your graphics driver. Your graphics card plays an important role in how smoothly Revit displays model. An outdated graphics card can cause lag, display glitches, or poor viewport performance. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest certified driver of your GPU. Keeping your graphics driver up to date can improve Revit stability and performance. Tip number 9. Install Revit on an SSD. If you are still running Revit from a traditional hard drive, upgrading to an SSD is one of the biggest performance improvements you can make. An SSD won't necessarily increase your frame rate, but it can make Revit open faster, save projects more quickly, synchronize central model faster, and reduce waiting time throughout your workflow. If you are buying a new laptop or upgrading your current one, always choose an SSD. And if you are confused about the kind of laptop you should get, I made a tutorial on that. I will leave the link in the description section so you can check it out. Tip number 10. Disable unused add-ins. Every time Revit starts, it loads all installed add-ins, even the ones you never use. Having too many active add-ins can increase startup time and consume system resources. If you have plugins that you rarely use, consider disabling them until you need them. You can manage uninstalled add-ins from programs and features in Windows or through your add-ins manager, depending on how the plugin was installed. Keeping only the plugins you actually use helps Revit start faster and keeps your workflow more efficient. Those are 10 simple but effective ways to improve Revit's performance without changing the way you work. If Revit is still slow after trying these tips, your hardware may still be a limiting factor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Noble Architects Consult, and let me know in the comments which tip made the biggest difference for you.